All right. I'm going to have to say good morning again, right? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you this morning?
Fine, and you?
I am very well, thank you. It's a pleasure for me to be with you again this morning, and I'm very happy to see everybody. Okay? I'm very happy to see everybody's face. You look so nice. You look so clean and happy.
Thank you.
Yeah. So it's a privilege for me to have you. Don't forget, let's make a look back from last week. I know you are trying to sit. You are trying to have a place. And right now, seems to me like we're gonna have to have another building again because we are crowded, like we have a lot of people. So may God give us the opportunity to, to find more support in order to be able to support you as we want to. Okay? Last week we talked. My name is Wesley Danger. For the people who don't know me, if you are here for the first time, my name is Wesley Danger. I am your English teacher. Okay? I know some of you know me. I know some of you might come for the first time too. Okay? Yes. Last week we talked about what we called formal greeting and informal greetings. So can some of you, in a very short time, remind me what I taught about formal greeting? Can some of you remind me what I taught you? Who can remind me what a formal greeting, like
A formal
example?
Like good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good day.
Good day. It's a good day. It's a really not American. It's most German, right? It's a old-fashioned way to say good morning, but we're not using it very often. You're not gonna hear people say it very often, other than British people. But it's okay to say that because it's a way to say good morning. Okay? All right? So we say good morning. What time of the day we say good morning?
When you wake up.
Mm-hmm.
When you wake up.
When you wake up in the morning, you say at 6.
Six.
I need a better answer.
This is in the morning.
Before 12 o'clock. Yes, so before 12 p.m., whatever time you wake up, so before 12 p.m., that's the part of the day you say good morning. Okay? The part of the day you say good morning is before 12 o'clock. So what part of the day we say good afternoon?
After 12.
After 12 o'clock, so we say good afternoon because this is, we start the afternoon. The word is expressing itself, afternoon, right? So what noon is midi, so when you say afternoon, it's après-midi in French. That's good. And then what part of the day we can use a good evening?
From 6.
Huh?
From 6.
We say good evening, what? From 6 p.m. Okay, to when you're gonna sleep, right?
Yep.
The time you're going to sleep. From 6 p.m. you start to say good evening, okay? Does everybody understand what I say when I speak English? Est-ce que tout le monde comprend ça m'a dit là?
Yes.
Est-ce que tout le monde comprend ça m'a dit là? Est-ce que je dois switch English, Creole, English, French, English, Creole? Hein? Nous comprenons?
Yes.
Ok, so nous dit pour saluer un monde de manière formellement, nous te dit au capable de dire hello. Alors nous te catégorisé formal greetings and informal greetings. Formal greeting when you say hello, Okay, it's a formal greetings. It's a formal way to say hello to somebody, to greet somebody. Okay, it's a formal way to greet somebody. Okay, you can say good morning. Good morning. Good morning signifie bonjour. Donc, c'est la façon de saluer une personne dans le matin, c'est-à-dire avant 12 heures, avant midi, on doit dire good morning. OK. Good afternoon, et c'est bonsoir, mais bon après-midi. On dit bon après-midi. Good afternoon, c'est la façon de dire bonsoir ou bien saluer une personne après-midi, dans l'après-midi, c'est-à-dire après disons like après 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. you say good afternoon. But there's another way you say bonsoir, and it's good evening. Good evening, you say bonsoir. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Bonsoir. So, but we say good evening from 6 p.m. till the time you are going to bed. Okay? On dit good evening depuis à partir de 6 heures du soir jusqu'à l'heure où elle dormit. On dit maintenant good evening. So, gen te parle avec de good, what about goodbye and good night? They dit, we say good night only when you're going to sleep. Okay? C'est un souhait. Son souhait fait avec moi. Non, on dit de passer une bonne nuit. Donc, on dit good night. OK? Good night. OK? Mais quand on va séparer de manière momentanée à une personne, on dit goodbye. 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 All right? C'est au revoir. All right? So that's good. But informal greeting. Can somebody remind me some informal greetings? I. What's up?
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's up, man? Yes. What's new? Yes, that's a good thing. A good way to say informal greeting. What's new? What's up, man? What?
What's new?
What's new?
What's good?
What's good?
You.
What's popping? Yeah, they say that.
You.
Yo. Yo, what's up?
What
Man?
is it?
What's up? Yo, what's up? Yes, exactly.
What
In
is
what
it?
other ways you say you greet a person informally? What other ways?
Hey there.
Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. Yeah. So nous dit dans le sens ça, nous dit hey there, dans le sens que vous saluer un monde de manière comme tu as dit un groupe de monde, et bien après où ils vont côté saluer un groupe de monde, nous dit hey there. Hey there, right? Okay. Qui c'est encore pour informal greetings? C'est fini? How's life? On va battre nous ça?
Yes.
How's life? Hein? How's life?
What is
Hein? C'est how's life, c'est comment vient y, comment bagaille y, pas vrai? How's life? Répétez ça de how's life? How's life? Nous te dit comme ça, how's life treating you? Ou qu'a dit ça? How's life treating you, man? Yeah, how's life treating you? Come by you, man. Come by you. Eh? Okay, how's life, man? How's everybody? How's everything? Okay, capable de ça, tu vois, vrai? How's everything? Dis ça de.
How's everything?
How's everything?
How's everything?
Qu'on a là, dans façon qu'à répondre, qu'à dire everything is okay, ou bien everything is all right. So today we saw last week also the alphabet. The alphabet, c'est l'alphabet. Pas vrai?
Yep.
Do you know the alphabet?
Yes.
Can you repeat the alphabet for me, please?
Yes.
A,
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, so we saw the good job. We saw the English the alphabet. What is the goal? The goal was for you to be able to say your name and spelling your name.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the question that we asking when we want to know person name? What the question you ask? What's your name? What's your name? Okay, what's your name?
you
Let's
can
go. Repeat
spell
after
your
me,
name.
class. What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
La réponse c'est my name is. My name is. Let's go.
My name is.
What's your name?
My name
Je vais
is.
dire what's your name, vous allez dire my name is. What's your name?
My name is.
My name is. Okay, I'm gonna say what's your name, you're gonna say my name. My name is. If you ask me what's my name, I'm gonna say my name. My name is. Okay? Mais si pour parler de une fille, on va demander qui non fille ça, on va dire what's her name. What's her name? Let's go. What's her name? Si je veux demander le nom d'une femme, pas vrai, le nom d'une femme, non fille, besoin qu'on ait nom dame ça qui côté me dit what's her name. OK, pointant sur la personne, pas vrai, vous pointez sur lui, me dit what's her name. But tu m'as parlé avec directement, me dit what's your name, parce que m'a parlé avec elle directement, pas vrai, what's your name. OK? Amen. Si son garçon m'a dit what his name. Allez, what his name?
What his name?
What his name?
What his name?
Yeah, what his name? Like, c'est le nom d'un gars, d'un garçon, d'un homme. Pas vrai, me dit what his name? Comment s'appelle-t-il? Pas vrai, comment lire les? What his name? OK? Comment s'appelle-t-elle? Comment elle s'appelle? What's her name? Right? So, mais si son chien, son animal, une chose, un animal. Loi mandé yon moun comment monsieur ça relé ou dit what's his name. Allez moi classe, what his name.
What is his name?
OK, le la répondre a dit his name is. Lirez-les. OK, il s'appelle. His name is. OK? What his name? Demandez mon nom, what his name. OK, simplement avec Emmanuel comment s'appelle cette dame? M'a dit what's her name. What's her name? What's her name? Qu'on a là, Emmanuel a répondu moi, her name is
Shirley.
Sherlyn.
Sherlyn Simmeyer.
Okay, her name is Sherlyn. Okay.
It's a nice
What his name? What his name, Emmanuel? What his name?
His name is Onik.
What his name?
His name is Telisma.
What's your name?
My name is Onik.
What's my name?
Your name is Wesley Danger.
What's his name? What's her name? Her name. Her name here.
Your name is John. I don't see.
No, you gotta ask her. You gotta ask her. Ask her about her name. Ask her.
Her name is
What's ask her? You're supposed to ask her. Ask her for her name.
What's her name?
No. Now listen. Okay, listen, class. Listen, class. Listen to me, please. Yeah, understand? I used to make that mistake too.
Okay.
But I used to make that
Okay,
mistake too.
understand.
I used to make that mistake too. It's okay. When you are going to address directly to the person, you use the second,
What your name?
second person. Okay. What's your directly to the person, pointing to that person, you say, "What's your name?" But if you're pointing to other person, it might be masculine, like a man. It might be a feminine, might be like a woman. Now you say, what's her name for woman, right? What's his name for men? See, if I talk about a dog, I like, for example, we have a dog, we have a cat or something. So you say, what its name? What its name? What its name? Okay? But sometimes people even say, what his name? So, like in America, they just like use that. Okay? So now we are going to do something else. Right? Are you okay for asking people's name? Are you okay?
Yes.
You are okay to ask for people's name?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So let's continue by saying like spelling names. How do you spell your name? The question. What question did you ask when you wanna know a person's name spelling? Like know how to spell a person's name. You say, how do you spell your name? Let's go. Repeat after me.
How do you spell your name?
How do you spell your name? Let's go.
How do you spell your name?
How do you spell your name?
How do you spell your name?
Not forget, spell mean épeler. To spell mean épeler. Okay? Okay? To spell your name. Spell your name, c'est épeler votre nom. Spell your name for me, please. Okay? Let's go. Repeat after me. Spell your name for me, please. Repeat after me once again. Spell your name for me, please. Spell your name for me, please. Okay? Or you can say, how do you spell your name? Okay. You can try.
Bonjour. So, comme j'étais pour manger, jeudi passé, donc les parfois, on était quitté dans le bureau, donc je connais que moi, si on était pour manger la fois dernière, vous te plaît prendre, so,
Mashallah.
il est là. On va besoin de père, non? Ça va prendre. Yeah, on va prendre aussi.
Oui, si tu as un monde qui te prend manger semaine dernière, il plie le don. C'est
Pas de monde là?
Mon nègre doit pas venir.
C'est que d'abord, il ça là, c'est tellement dense.
Ah, mais, bon, oui.
Mais t'es qui? What is your name, Mr. Danger?
What's my name? My name is Wesley Danger.
Can you spell it?
Yes, Wesley is Wisly, and Danger is Dange. So
Thank
that's
you.
my name. So, what's your name?
My name is Onik.
Onik, can you spell your name for me, please?
Yes, I can.
Mm-hmm.
H-O-N-I-C-K.
H-O-N-I-C-K.
Is
Onik.
my first name.
And that's your first name. Onik
Yes.
is your first name. Can somebody else tell me his name and spell it for me?
Yes.
So, okay, go ahead.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I am Lucien Destin.
Mm-hmm.
My first name is Lucien.
Lucien. Mm-hmm.
Lucien.
Mm-hmm. Lucien.
L-U-C-I-E-R.
Mm-hmm. E-R, yes.
Destin.
Mm-hmm.
D-E-S-T-I-N.
Good job.
I'm
Good
the
job.
first.
Yes.
I'm the first. I come here for the first time.
Oh, you come here. Welcome to class, Lucien.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome to class. We're really glad to have you. You can sit down. Thank you. Thank you. You are impressing me. So I'm very impressed by you. So that is a good thing. So can somebody else? I need a woman to stand up and tell me her name and spell it, the first name or whatever. Like a woman. Yes. Good.
My name is Mutlin.
Maudlin.
M
Mm-hmm.
O
Mm-hmm.
T
Mm-hmm.
L I N E. Liver L I V E R T.
Woo, good job. Good job, right? She's doing a good job. Okay, so this is very interesting, guys. You know how to spell your name, you know and how to say your name. So right now, there's another thing that I'm gonna show you, which is like important in life. You can be called to introduce yourself. Okay? You can be called to introduce yourself. So I'm gonna show you technically how you can introduce yourself when you are, like with your friend. You can be with you can be like in a jobs interview. You can be like you can be called to introduce yourself in a formal situations, like in a conference. Everybody there, they want to know you, right? You are calling to introduce yourself. What does that mean? Introduce yourself mean in French, présentez-vous. Okay, se présenter. Introduce yourself. Let's go. Repeat after me. Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
Introduce.
Introduce.
Introduce yourself.
Yourself.
Okay, I'm going to introduce myself. That's a common way we say it. Let me introduce myself. Say it, repeat after me. Let me
Let me
introduce myself.
myself.
Mm-hmm. So people normally say, let me introduce myself. For example, let mm-hmm. People usually say, let me introduce myself, like, c'est-à-dire, permettez-moi de me présenter. Okay? Let me introduce myself. Say that again. Let me
Let me
introduce myself.
introduce myself.
Let me introduce myself.
Let me introduce myself.
Or you can say, I'm going to
I'm going to
introduce myself.
introduce myself.
I'm going to introduce myself. Ça veut dire, moi, pas le présenter tête, mais je vais me présenter. I'm going to introduce myself. Okay? Est-ce qu'il y a un monde qui a dit pour compte lui? I'm going to introduce myself.
I'm going to introduce myself.
Ou bien, let me introduce myself.
Let me introduce myself.
Yeah, let me introduce myself. Okay? C'est-à-dire, permettez-moi de me présenter. Ou bien, il y a un monde qui même dit, allow me to introduce myself. Okay, allow me. Permettez-moi de me présenter. Allow me to introduce myself. Allow me. Allow me. You don't know? Permettez-moi. Yeah. Yeah, you can say that too. You can say hello. Est-ce que je peux ajouter ça? Et là, introduce yourself and others. So, je peux mettre oui. Bon, moi, faut parler d'introduce yourself avant, après ça, mon tour qui introduit l'autre monde. D'accord? Okay, so class, let me ask you this question. When you are called to introduce yourself, what kind of information do you usually give?
Name,
You say your name.
address,
You say your name, your address. Not quiet.
not right.
Yeah, not quite. Your name. It's good. I know. I approve names. Yes, you need to give your name. And what other things? Not mostly. Yeah? Experience is good. Your job experience, you mean, right? Your job experience. Yes, that's good.
Your age.
Where do you live? Your locations. And where you from? Country of origin. Where you from? Okay, I need to mark that to those things. This is very important. So when you are called to introduce yourself, you're gonna say first and first. You're gonna talk about number one. This is something you don't tell me. You need to have a greeting words.
Green or
Okay? Un mot de salutation est important. A greeting words is important, right?
Yeah.
Like hello or good morning, right? Hello. That's why I teach you how to use the greeting words, because you're gonna need them when you're gonna introduce yourself too, right?
Yeah.
So a greeting words is important. What are greeting words? You can say good morning, you can say good afternoon, you can say good evening, depending on the time of the day you are called to introduce yourself. So, and then after the greeting words, you can say your name, yes. You can say, somebody told me about your age. If you want, you can say your age, how old you are, right? Right?
Where do you from?
You can say your age. You can say place of origin. A place of origin. Place of origin will mean what? Like, where are you? Where are you from? Okay, where you from? You can say, talk about, somebody told me about residence. Where do you live? Like, residence. Residence. Yes. Residence.
Place of origin.
Somebody told me the marital status. Like, are you married or single? Is that what you're talking about?
Yep.
Okay. So what else? Occupation. You told me about your jobs, right?
Experience.
Your job experience, occupations or job experience. Job experience. Your occupation. What are the family? You talk about your family?
Yeah.
Yeah, family.
What do you like
Okay.
in life?
Okay, exactly. Family. And somebody told me, what do you like in life? Like your hobbies?
Your hobbies.
Hobbies. Okay. Hobbies. And what else? Hobbies. And you can talk about your future dream too.
Yeah.
Your dream, right? What do you want to be?
Yeah.
Okay? Your future dream. Whatever. Dream in the future.
Yeah.
Okay? What do you want to be, right? What do you want to be? Okay? What do you want to be, right? That's good. And then what else? You can say, describe yourself in a way that if you are a happy person, right? describe yourself. If you are a happy person, if you are a positive person, and so on, right? Like if you are really a caring person, right? All right, you can say that. Let's talk about names. If you call to introduce yourself, you say, okay, hello, my name is Wesley Danger. Hello, my name is Wesley Danger. That's my name. So, yes.
Did you get attendance yet?
Not yet.
Okay. I have some of their names listed. Have them look for their name first.
Okay.
And then if you're a new student, put your name and phone number.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. So, ça c'est pour attendance, non? Nous avons écrit nom, et puis avec tout non monde qui est là, on va seulement checker les rentrées, et puis écrit pas bien écrit date là, mais si c'est un nouveau étudiant, on va mettre nom dans le doigt là. OK? Et puis mettez nom dans le doigt et mettez numéro de téléphone pour new student. OK? New students. OK? On va commencer à inscrire nom. C'est très important. Une équipe qui fait exprès pas mettre nom. Et m'a dit nous ça classe là important pour nous. L'homme était non présent sont important pour nous, ça montre cette là qui paye pour quoi café là, ouais que ou là, nous fait quoi pour. Mais ou même si vous juste choisi vin là prendre comme granted, ou prendre ça c'est comme en rien, c'est comme si son ba ou mérité, you just ba ou pas gain reconnaissance envers, you take it as granted, don't take it as granted. You come here, we are here to help you. We love you. We want to do it, but also you want to show the people that we are helping you. Okay? That's why we asking you to put your name. Moi, en pile, mon mal regardé, mon visage dans la classe là, les mal dans liste là, mal regardé dans attendant ça, yo pas non. Pendant ce temps, yo toujours présent là. Yo choisi pas écrire non, ou bien écrire non de manière vague, comme si son bagage qui pas gagne aucune importance, il va me veut écrire tout non même. Il va mettre non dans bagage comme ça. La vie c'est comme ça la vie. Pendant on fait un bagage bénéficiel, pour d'accord conditions et tout. Sous là ou pas là pas venir. On pas sentir au camp non pas venir. Yeah, to be or not to be. Exactly. Être ou ne pas être. Ou là, faut présence là. Il m'a dit m'écrire non, il m'a dit m'écrire à qui c'est ça ou bien pas ça. To be or not to be, right? Okay. Yes, by say pas être mean avec nous, mais speaking I was not mean. It's a way to okay pour nous capable responsible, pour nous capable plus responsable.
Teacher.
Yes.
Please. Before residence. How do you spell the word for me, please?
I mean, place of origin before residence.
After
marital status is like MARITALSTU. Oh, sorry, I make a mistake. Status, like A.
Married?
A. Status.
marital status.
Okay, status, like not
Statut
you.
matrimonial.
Okay,
What does that mean?
statut matrimonial. Est-ce que are you married or you single?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. All right, class. For example, I'm gonna try to introduce myself, and then I don't know if you would like to do that too, Mr. Jillian. If you want to, you're welcome to join us and introduce yourself to the people, if you want to. So, okay. For example, I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna introduce myself. This thing is in a particular way, like special occasion. You can be called like meetings of friends. It's easy to say, hello, my name is Danger. My name is Onik. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. That's the simplest way you can introduce yourself. Like, nous, public là, non fête, non anniversaire. On va pas parler de tout ça, non anniversaire. Right? You're not going to have time to talk about all of these things, like on a party, like on a gathering. Like to talk about all of this, you could be like very bored, and then people like.
She don't see her name.
She can write her name, because she never writes her name.
I never.
Oh, maybe sometimes she'll miss to write your name. Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, yes. So if you don't see your name in the list, you write your name for me,
No,
please.
she's not new.
Yeah, she's not you. She was supposed to have her name, but yeah. Okay, mes amis, n'a coupé moi là. On quitte m'avancer. So, the simplest way you can do that, for example, I'm going to introduce myself to somebody. I say like, hello, my name is Wesley Danger. like if I'm introducing myself to Onik, you're gonna say, I am Onik. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Simple. Okay? Let's practice that. Hello, my name is Wesley Danger. Can you stand up?
Hello. My name is Onik.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too. This is the simplest way we can do that. Hello, you give your name, and then the person responds, I, you give his name, and then you say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. The simplest way you can do that. Okay? Hello, my name is Wesley Danger. I am Onik Meteye. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. That's the simplest way you can use it. Okay?
Yep.
Est-ce que nous comprenons ça me dire?
Yes.
Est-ce que nous comprenons ça me dire?
Yeah.
Est-ce que nous avons après ça, je vais faire deux minutes pour seulement introduire tête.
No problem. No problem.
Okay?
I
Yes.
have a question.
Yes. What is your question?
My question is, introduce yourself.
Mm-hmm.
I think you speak simple. You say simple presentation.
Yeah. Yes. When you introduce yourself to anybody.
When I'm in the class, I can do this presentation.
Mm-hmm.
When I am in interview job.
Like a job interview, this is a formal situation. You're gonna need all of these. But I'm talking about the simplest way, meeting a friend for the first time. Okay? You are going to introduce yourself. You don't have to use all of this. You don't need all of this. You can be bored for the person to say, what is just talking about? You know? Like the simplest way, say, hello, you give your name. My name is, or you say my names. Or you say I am, will be I'm. Okay? Let's say, you can say, my name is. Okay? You can say, my
name is.
name is. Okay? Hello, my name is. You give your name. The person responds, I am. Et puis, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And the person responds, nice to meet you too.
That's simple.
This is very simple way you can introduce yourself. Hello. Let's go, class. Hello.
Hello.
My name is.
My name is.
I am. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Finally, hello.
Hello.
My name is.
My name is.
I am.
am.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. All right. So, do you want to practice that with me right now?
Yes.
Okay. So, like you're calling to introduce yourself for the first time, it's really simple. You don't have to say a lot of things because this is like the simplest way you can introduce yourself. But in a formal situation,
Can you put a?
what is that?
Put a in the sentences.
What is that? Hello.
A, B.
Oh, you want me
The
to?
first person. The
Or you
first
want me
person.
to like say
Yeah.
person person B. Okay, person
No,
A.
that's
sorry.
the same.
Sorry,
yeah.
person B.
B.
Person B. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, I can do that. A and B. Okay,
Yeah.
good. Okay, we are going to practice it like simple.
No problem.
I'm gonna be person A. You're gonna be person B. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
No, I am the one who will do it. I am person A, you are person B. Okay. Hello, my name is Wesley Danger. And then I need another person.
Okay.
You're gonna say your name, and I'm gonna say nice to meet you. You're gonna say nice to meet you too. Let me practice with one person. I need one person. Oh yes, thank you. Stand up. Hello, my name is Wesley Danger.
I am Lucy Destin.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too. That is simple as you, right? Is that okay, class?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I want another person to be brave and come up and do that. You wanna do it? Huh? Say that again.
I. You say, my name is. Okay, my name is Ismail. Why all the people use I again?
Why I use I again? It's a way to say hello. Hi. Bonjour. Bonjour. Yes, you understand? Okay. Hello. Hello, bonjour. Hi. Salut. Okay. Bonjour, je m'appelle. Salut, je m'appelle. Est-ce que vous comprenez? Bonjour, je m'appelle. Salut, je m'appelle. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance aussi. OK? C'est la façon la plus simple. OK? You get it? Okay, no problem. All right. Let's continue.
Teacher,
Yes.
when you say hello, is the formal greeting?
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
It's okay.
A formal greeting.
It's okay.
It's it?
Yeah. Hello. Hi.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Hi. My name is. Or if you don't want to say my name is, you can say I am.
Hi.
I am. Okay? I am Wesley Danger. Okay? I am Wesley Danger. Ou bien am Wesley Danger. Hello, my name is Wesley Danger. Ou bien I am Honik. Right? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. It's simple. Like, okay? You can do it? Yes. You can do it? I want to see two people stand up and do it. I want to see two people in the class stand up and do it for me. Yes. Two people.
Hello, my name is Jacob.
Hi. I'm Tony.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. And sometimes there is the handshake. Sometimes when you can shake hands. Okay. So the handshake. Make sure when you shake the person's hands, you don't do this. Okay. Don't do this. Okay. Don't do this. No. You wanna say? Okay. All right. Is that okay?
Yep.
All right. So hello. Sit down, please. Hello. My name is Wesley Danger.
Oh, that's very
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. All right. So qui de moun ka fel mwen apre sa m ka rentre nan formel yo. On ale. De l'autre monde. I want two other people. Volunteer yourself to do it.
Sherlyn.
Okay. Go ahead. There's another person. Give your name. Give your name. Say your name. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Do you understand, class?
Yes.
There's not only nice to meet you. There's a lot of ways you can say enchanté. You can say glad to see you. You can say that too. You can say glad to see you. Glad to meet you. You can say glad to meet you.
Glad to see you.
Glad to see you.
Glad to meet you, and that person gonna say glad to meet you too.
It's a pleasure to
You
see
can
you.
say I am happy to know you. You can say I'm happy to know you too. Okay? I'm happy to know you. Happy to know you too. Okay? Delighted to see you. Delighted to see you too. Okay? It's a pleasure to know you. It's a pleasure to know you too. Okay? Like those are a lot of ways you can say it. You don't have to say one way. You can say glad to meet you. Glad to meet you too. I am happy to see. I'm happy to know you. Yes. I am happy. Class, what is that? What do we say? I am happy.
I'm happy to know you.
I'm happy to know you. You're gonna say happy to know you. Happy to know you too. Delighted to see you. Delighted to see you too. It's a pleasure to see you. It's a pleasure to see you too. Okay, I'm happy to meet you. I'm happy to meet you too. Or pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. Okay, let's say pleased to meet you. I'm gonna give you more throughout the days, but you can get these for now, right? Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you.
I'm sorry.
Pleased to meet you too.
Okay. Pleased. Okay, you can say pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. Okay? This is the simplest way. Okay? You can introduce yourself. You say your name, you say greeting words, hello, and then the person responds, hi. You say your name, my name is, and then the person say his name as well, okay? Yeah, my name is Wesley Danger. I am Onik Meteye, okay? I'm Jillian, okay? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's simple. Don't go further. Don't go like talk about a lot of things just for the first time you just meet a person. You don't need to do that, okay? Okay? But this word nice to meet you or pleased to meet you, it's really formal. That's great. You say pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. But when you shake the person's hands, don't do this.
No.
You know? And then you meet me for the first time, don't say like that. Don't be so overwhelming. You just like, hug that person. Yeah. You're gonna have to be respectful and professional. You say nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Okay? Delighted to see you. Delighted to see you too. It's a pleasure to know you. It's a pleasure to know you too. Pleased to see you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. That's it. That's it. Mm-hmm. Pleased to meet you. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Pleased to meet you with a D.
I don't want to repeat that you say.
Uh-huh.
Another word, please.
Yes.
S'il vous plaît.
Yeah. Yes. Please means s'il vous plaît.
No. I want to say you something
Uh-huh.
about that you say.
Okay.
When you meet a girl,
Mm-hmm.
it's necessary to give her my hand.
Your hand?
Yes.
No. It's what you say. It's true. It's true. I'm gonna come here. Yeah, that's true. When you meet a girl, mostly for the first time, socially, it's wait for her. If not even a girl, like for example, if I'm introduced to an important person, I'm supposed to wait for that person to shake my hand first. To do that first. If he doesn't do it, keep your hands there. Keep your hand there. Right? Because you don't have to. No, because it's not accurate. It's not really like socially. It's not correct. Like if for example I meet Mr. Lou for the first time, he's a very important person. He's a president of a well-wished project. I've heard about him for sure, but I don't want to just do this. I am going to wait for Mr. Lou to say, "Pleased to meet you." Pleased to meet you too. Okay? If a girl, she's a woman mostly in an office, you know what? You're not gonna say, "Hey, nice to meet you." No. You wait for her to say, "Pleased to see you." Pleased to see you too. Okay? So don't go first. As a gentleman, socially, it's important to wait for her to shake your hand, not you to go to him. Thank you for bringing that because that was important too. Yes, you're welcome, sir. Thank you for bringing it because your knowledge is helping me to make it better. Thank you for coming in class. Okay, we were talking about the simplest way you can introduce yourself. Now, when you come in a formal situation to introduce yourself, it's different. Oh my God, I hope my time would be more, but I don't have that much time.
You go ahead a few minutes. My computer has locked me out.
It's locking you now?
It's locked me out.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on.
Okay. Folks, okay? When you are introducing yourself in a conference room, like on a very formal situations where you are called to, like in a job interview, like with, for the first time, like an important situation, now the person wants to know more details about you, right? So you can say, hello, my name is Wesley Danger. I'm giving my name first. I am 40 years old. that means you start to know about me because you didn't know my age, right? Did you know my age before? You didn't know. Maybe you don't know me. Me dit, I am 40 years old. So let me tell you, I am. The question to ask to know about name is how old are you? Right? How old are you? Mm-hmm. Did you know how old I am? No? No, you didn't know that. Okay? So you say, I am 40 years old. Well, I am plus the number. The number you're gonna, the number you have, like you are 30, you are 40, you are 50, you are 15, you are 10. Yes. Yes, you may. Yes, you may. Okay? Okay, class, what did I say first? I said I use a greeting words, which is hello, or good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, right? So I'm using a greeting words. Now, the second part is I'm gonna give my name. My name is Wesley Danger. I can say my name is, or I can say my names. I can say I am, ou bien am. Do you understand?
Yes.
I can say my name is, or my names. I am or am. Okay? I'm Manuel.
Yeah.
I am Emmanuel. I am Danger. I am Jillian. I am Karen. Okay? I am Firme. Now you're not going to talk about another way. What the other one way? The other thing that I'm gonna talk about. I'm gonna talk about my age. I am 40 years old. I am 40 years old. I know some people might not even ready to even like say his age, but it's okay. You might not interested, but you can say that if you want. It's formal. It's okay to say that. You say your age, right? I am 40 years old. There's a mistake that people always make in English when they are learning. They use verb to have instead of verb to be. In terms of giving your age, you're not gonna use verb to have. You are supposed to use verb to be. Malgré c'est un petit genre difficile en français. Parce que vous dites j'ai 40 ans, c'est-à-dire le verbe avoir c'est le verbe to have. Vous devez dire I have 40 years old. Nope. Nope. Okay? But you need to use the verb to be. To say I am. Malgré c'est je suis. Je suis 40 ans. Ouais, ça? Je suis 40 ans vieux. Pas vrai? Donc, c'est comme ça traduit mot à mot. D'accord? Mais c'est j'ai 40 ans. D'accord? I am, c'est le verbe to be qu'on doit utiliser. Et puis on dit le chiffre qui c'est 10 ans, 12 ans, 30 ans, 50 ans, 40 ans, 22 ans, 23 ans. Pas vrai? Et semaine prochaine, je montrer nous chiffres. Je viens avec chiffres pour nous, the numbers. We're going to learn next week about the cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. I'm going to bring that to you in class for next week. So, you say, I am 40 years old. C'est-à-dire, je vais en bas deuxième statut à la pas vrai? Semaine prochaine, je prends mon vin faire présentation, ça que je prends ensemble comme ça.
Nous pas un problème.
Je prends les gens viennent présenter, pas dire nous pas un problème.
No problem.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
I will be there.
Place of birth. Let's go. Repeat after me. Place of birth.
Place of birth.
Place.
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 Place. Place.
Of birth.
Birth.
Birth. Birth. Place of birth.
Place of birth.
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 Yeah, birthday. My birthday. My anniversary. Okay? All right. Place of birth. Okay? My place of birth. I was born in. Okay? When you are going to say me, I'm going to say I am from Haiti. Repeat after me. I think everybody from Haiti here, right? Everybody from Haiti here, right? Yeah, you're not from different countries. You look like me. I don't think you're from Brazil. I don't think you're from Argentina. I don't think you're from Mexico.
Excuse me, please. I'm gonna do this.
You have a call? Call to pick up? Appointment? Okay.
Appointment. I get to see if the person not there.
And the office?
Yep.
Okay, you may go. You may go.
Mr. Manu.
Mr. Manu too. All right, no problem. Class, what other thing we're gonna talk about? Number three? Number three? The place, no, number 4, right? Number 4 is the place of origin. What is that? What do I mean by that? Where are you from?
From Haiti.
Class, repeat after me. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Si on dit where are you from, that dit I am from Haiti. Okay? So I'm from Haiti. C'est-à-dire je suis d'Haïti. Je suis haïtien. Ou capable de dire I'm from Haiti or I am Haitian. Regardez, this I'm Haitian. Hello. My name is. I am Haitian. Right? Now finish. Right? My name is Wesley Danger. I am 40 years old. I am Haitian. Ou bien I from Haiti. I from Haiti. I'm from Haiti. But you can say like I'm from Haiti or I come from. You can say I come from Haiti, right? I come from. Like that's where my place is far away from where I live right now. I say I come from. Or I can even say like I can even say I grew up and raised and you know I was born and grew up and raised in Haiti. I was born. I was born. What does that mean? I was born. I was born. I was born. Say j'étais né. Like question, they can ask you about that. They can say, where were you born? Like where were you born? You're gonna say where were you born, or you're gonna say where are you from? Okay, so you say I'm from Haiti. I am Haitian, right? I'm from Haiti. I'm Haitian. Okay, I'm Haitian, or I'm from Haiti, or I was born. Est-ce que vous pouvez dire ça? I was born in Haiti. I was
Born in Haiti.
I was born in Haiti. Comment dire moi t'es fait Haïti? Comment dire t'es fait Haïti? I was born in Haiti.
I was born in Haiti.
Or moi dis comme ça, I was born in Haiti, or I grew up. Nous t'avons ça. I grew up. I grew up in Haiti.
I grew up in Haiti.
Moi levé Haïti. I grew up.
Why can Haiti? Yeah.
Moi grandi Haïti. I grew up in Haiti.
I grew up in Haiti.
Okay? Okay? I was born and raised in Haiti.
I was born.
Allez, ma béki ça pour nous. I was born.
Where's in Haiti?
I was born and raised. Ça veut dire I was born. J'étais né et j'ai grandi. Moi levé Haïti. I was born and raised in Haiti. I was born and raised in China. Ou capable de faire Haïti et pour lever en Chine. Ou capable de faire en Haïti ou lever aux États-Unis. Pardon, monsieur. I was born in Haiti, but I grew up in the United States. That can be happen, right? You were born in Haiti, but you didn't grow up there, right? Okay? So you can say I was born and raised in Haiti. Oh my God, time is up. Sorry. Oh my God. So let's say, okay. So for now, we don't have much time, but let me remind you what we saw today about the formal introductions. Like when you are called to introduce yourself formally in a formal situation. So you say what?
Hello.
You use the greeting words, right? You say hello, or good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. That's good. Number 2, what did you do? What do you give? You give your name. You say your name. My name is Wesley Danger, or I am Wesley Danger. Or be I'm Wesley Danger. My name's Wesley Danger, right? So people say that like that. So, and then after that, you say your age. I am 40 years old. Ok? C'est le verbe to be qu'on doit utiliser au lieu de dire le verbe to have. Don't forget that. Never forget it, right? Okay? And don't say I have, say I am. Et puis, yours, number, et plus ye is old. Okay? And the last thing, I'm sorry, I take 1 more minute on you, so I'm gonna finish. No, just one more word, because you're gonna talk about your residence or country of origin or where you from. Okay? Where you from? I'm from Haiti. Ou bien I come from Haiti. I'm from Haiti, or bien I come from Haiti. Okay? I am originally from Haiti. Right? So, but I grew up in Haiti, or you say there's another word that give you.
grew up in Haiti and
Another sentence. I give you. You can say I was born in Haiti and raised in Haiti. Faut capable te fait Haïti et ou lever Haïti, quand ça trouve qu'à fait Haïti, mon levons l'autre côté. I was born in Haiti and raised in China. Okay? Thank you so much. It's